Did you know that nearly 40% of people believe that bipolar disorder means having constant mood swings? That's just one of the many myths surrounding this mental health condition. Let's break the stigma and uncover the truth together. Hey, everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are diving deep into the world of bipolar disorder. There's a lot of misinformation out there, and it's time to separate fact from fiction. Whether you know someone with bipolar disorder or just want to learn more, stick around because you might be surprised by what you discover. Myth 1. Bipolar disorder is just mood swings. A lot of people think that bipolar disorder is just about having frequent mood swings. But in reality, it's much more complex. Bipolar disorder is characterized by extreme mood episodes, either manic highs or depressive lows, that last for days, weeks, or even months. These episodes are not simple mood changes, but significant shifts that affect energy levels, decision-making, and daily life. Myth 2. Mania is just feeling happy and energetic. Mania is often misunderstood as a period of excitement or high energy. But in reality, mania can lead to impulsive decisions, risky behaviors, and even delusions or hallucinations in severe cases. People experiencing mania may feel invincible, spend excessive amounts of money, or have difficulty sleeping for days at a time. It's much more than just being in a good mood. Myth 3. Bipolar disorder only affects emotions. While bipolar disorder does impact emotions, it also affects thinking, behavior, and even physical health. During depressive episodes, individuals may struggle with memory, concentration, and fatigue. Manic episodes can also cause restlessness and difficulty maintaining focus. It's a condition that affects multiple aspects of life, not just feelings. Myth 4. People with bipolar disorder can't lead a normal life. A common misconception is that people with bipolar disorder can't have stable relationships, careers, or fulfilling lives. The truth is, with the right treatment plan, whether it's therapy, medication, or lifestyle changes, many people with bipolar disorder manage their condition successfully and lead full, productive lives. Myth 5. Medication is the only treatment. Medication is often a crucial part of managing bipolar disorder, but it's not the only solution. Therapy, lifestyle changes, a strong support system, and self-care strategies all play vital roles. A holistic approach is key to long-term stability and well-being. Bipolar disorder is widely misunderstood, but knowledge is the first step to breaking the stigma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep the conversation going. Drop a comment below and let me know what surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.